हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम अगेन टू दिस चॅनल. स्पर्धा परीक्षा स्टडी सेंटर या यूट्यूब चॅनलवरती मी तुमचं पुन्हा एकदा स्वागत करतो आहे. मित्रांनो, आज आपण हेनरी ले या फेमस कवीने लिहिलेली एक सुंदर विनोदी कविता आपण अभ्यासणार आहात, द ट्विन्स. In this poem, the poet tells about his twin brother and about the ill effects he had to face throughout his life because of his resemblance with his brother. Let us study the poem. In form and feature, face and limb, I grew so like my brother that fox got taking me for him and each for one another. In form and feature, in structure, in their appearance, all the features and limbs were same, and that's why the fox means the people here. People got confused, and because of their confusion they started taking one for another. Here taking means mistaking. बघा काय झालेलं आहे, इन फॉर्म्स अँड फीचर, सर्वार्थाने हे दोघं ट्विन ब्रदर जे आहे ते एकदम सारखे असल्यामुळे द पीपल गॉट कन्फ्युज्ड, लोक कन्फ्युज्ड झाली अँड दे स्टार्टेड टेकिंग वन फॉर अनादर. इट पझल्ड ऑल आवर किथ अँड किन, इट रीच्ड अ फिअरफुल pitch. For one of us was born a twin, yet not a soul knew which. It puzzled all our kith and kin. Means it puzzled not just the other people, it puzzled even the kith and kin also. It puzzled the close relatives also. And it happened because one of them was born as twin, and yet not a soul knew which. No one can understand who is who. Everyone would get confused because in form and feature, in all senses, the two brothers were same. They were twins. Next stanza. One day, to make the matter worse, before our names were fixed, as we were being washed by nurse, we got completely mixed. In this stanza, right from the beginning, right from their birth, the poet had to face the ill effects of his same resemblance with his brother. The first mistake was that because of the whim of the nurse, because of the mistake of the nurse, both of them were mixed when she went for washing them. जन्मापासूनच हे त्याचं कवीचं दुर्दैव, नरेटरचं दुर्दैव त्याच्या पाठीमागं लागलं. हा ट्विन ब्रदर असल्यामुळे त्याचे बरेचसे इल इफेक्ट्स कवीला या नरेटरला त्या ठिकाणी भोगावे लागले आणि त्याची सुरुवात अगदी त्याच्या जन्मापासून झाली. म्हणजे काय, टू मेक द मॅटर वर्स बिफोर आवर नेम्स वेअर फिक्स्ड, ॲज वी वेअर बीइंग वॉश्ड बाय नर्स, वी गॉट कम्प्लिटली मिक्स्ड. Both of them were mixed and the nurse couldn't understand who is who. That's why the determined names were changed. It has been showed in the next 4 lines. And thus you see, by fate's decree, or rather nurse's whim, my brother John got christened me and I got christened him. Means the confusion started right from their birth. And the first ill effect the poet want to express here, that his name was given to his brother, and it was because of the mistake, or it was because of the changed behavior of that nurse. The name was given, his name was given to his brother. That means काय झालेलं आहे, the nurse was completely confused. नर्स पूर्णतः कन्फ्यूज झाली आणि त्यांची नावं अगोदर ठरवलेली ती, धिस चाइल्ड विल बी गिवन पर्टिक्युलर नेम अँड द अनदर चाइल्ड विल पर्टिक्युलर नेम. बट while she went for washing them, she confused and she mixed them, and that's why the first ill effect on the poet was that actually the name Henry was determined for John and it was given to the poet. तर हेनरी हे जे नाव आहे खरं तर त्याच्या भावाला देण्याचं ठरवलेलं होतं, परंतु ते मिक्स्ड झाल्यामुळं नो वन कुड अंडरस्टँड अँड दॅट्स वाय हिज नेम वॉज गिवन टू हिज ब्रदर. This fatal likeness even dogged my footsteps when at school, and I was always getting flogged. For John turned a fool, I put this question fruitlessly. To everyone I know, what would you do if you were me to prove that you were you? So what happens? This fatal likeness was even dogged my footstep when at school. Now the next phase of life is the school life. It dogged the poet in the school life also. Dogged, here the noun dog is used as a verb to perceive. त्याचं दुर्दैव शाळेमध्ये आल्यानंतर सुद्धा त्याला सोडलेलं नाहीये. It dogged to the school also. And what happened there? And I was always being flogged, for John turned out a fool. John would make mistakes and the punishment would be given to the poet, the narrator. तर जॉन चुका करायचा आणि त्याचा स्वभाव थोडासा शांत असल्यामुळे कदाचित त्याचा दुष्परिणाम हेनरीला भोगावा लागायचा. बऱ्याच वेळेस आपण पाहत असतो की ह्या ट्विन्सपैकी एक जरा जास्त खोडकर असतो आणि एक थोडासा शांत स्वभावाचा असतो. अँड द पोएट हिमसेल्फ, द नरेटर हिमसेल्फ वॉज मे बी with calm behavior. That's why he had to face the ill effects of his resemblance. And that's why when John would make the mistakes and the punishment would given to Henry, his brother. So it dogged to the school also, and I was always being flogged, for John turned out a fool. I put this question fruitlessly to prove to everyone I know, what would you do if you were me to prove that you were you? Now he had to give the clarification. बघा, स्वतः मी तो नाही हे समजवण्यासाठी प्रत्येकाला तो हा प्रश्न विचारायचा. I put this question fruitlessly to everyone I know, what would you do if you were me to prove that you were you? So a fruitless question I would ask to everyone. Fruitless means which is of no use, ज्याचा उपयोग कुणाला म्हणजे कुठेही होणार नाही, त्याचा वैयक्तिक. The poet would ask the question to everyone. प्रत्येकाला हाच प्रश्न विचारायचा की बाबा तुम्ही आहेत हे सिद्ध करण्यासाठी तुम्ही काय कराल. कारण याला तीच अडचण होती की मी आहे हे सिद्ध करणंच याला शक्य होत नव्हतं. Next and last stanza, our close resemblance turned the tide of my domestic life, for somehow my intended bride became my brother's wife. Now this is the tide. काय झालेलं आहे? The next phase of the life is the adult life. Here the poet also had to face the ill effect of his resemblance with his brother. Now what happened? Our close resemblance turned the tide of our domestic life, for somehow my intended bride became my brother's wife. Intended wife of the narrator, because of the confusion, because of his bad luck, she became the wife of his brother. Now the 4 lines are very interesting. It may be the exaggeration. In fact, year after year the same absurd mistakes went on, and when I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. Now this is the limit. Actually, this is not the limit. So friends, what happened? The people came when Henry, the narrator, died. The people came and buried his brother John. So what happened in the end? Throughout his life, the narrator had to face the ill effects of his resemblance with his brother, And lastly, the brother, the narrator's brother had to face the ill effect of his resemblance with his brother. That means actually the narrator died and the people came, and because of their confusion they buried their brother John. So here this is the end of this poem. The poet uses exaggeration very artistically to create the humor in this poem. Even the poet uses the colloquial notes here, and the poet creates humor in this poem to make the poem very interesting. Thank you.